Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Tinder subscription easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Tinder app on your device. Log into your account if prompted. Tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Select the Manage Account option from the list. Scroll down and look for the Subscriptions section. Tap on Tinder Plus, Tinder Gold, or Tinder Platinum, depending on your subscription type. This will take you to the subscription details page. Locate the Cancel Subscription option, usually found at the bottom of the page. Confirm your choice to cancel when prompted. For iOS users, go to your account settings. Select Subscriptions from the menu. Find Tinder in your subscriptions list and tap on it. Then tap Cancel Subscription at the bottom of the page. For Android users, open the Google Play Store app. Tap on the menu icon and select Subscriptions. Find Tinder in your subscriptions list and select it. Tap Cancel Subscription and confirm your decision. Once canceled, you will receive a confirmation email. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing period. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.